Buy now, pay later schemes have boomed across the UK. Today, I'm going to be taking a closer look at Clearpay, which lets you split your online purchases across 4 equal payments. It's super important to understand how these services work before splashing any cash, so that you can get your retail therapy on whilst remaining fabulous and financially safe. So let's take a look. Clearpay works by partnering with your favourite brands and online retailers like Missguided, Boohoo, JD Sports and Urban Outfitters. Simply select Clearpay as your payment method at checkout and pay off your balance in 4 equal instalments. The first payment is due immediately, with the following 3 automatically collected from your account in 2-week intervals. Unlike other buy now, pay later services, Clearpay offers just one payment plan. To use Clearpay, you have to be at least 18 years old and shop with a partner retailer. Clearpay does not charge interest, and as long as you make your payments on time, it's totally free to use. If, for whatever reason, you are late making your payments, you will be charged a late fee. Step 1 is a toughie. To use Clearpay, you need to start by shopping at one of their partner stores online. Check out our link in the description below for our full list of shops that use Clearpay. At the checkout, select Clearpay as your payment option. At this point, you'll need to sign up or log into your Clearpay account and input your credit or debit card details. You can access your account via desktop or the mobile app. Once you've done this, Clearpay will collect your first payment. After the first instalment is paid, Clearpay will pay the retailer the full amount and your order will be shipped to you. Clearpay will automatically collect the next 3 payments in 2-week intervals. If you miss a payment, you will be charged an initial late fee of £6. A further £6 will be charged if payment is then not made within 7 days. The late fees are capped, so you'll never end up paying more than 25% of the cost of your purchase. However, you will be restricted from using Clearpay again until your balance is settled. First-time users may only be approved for 1 order at a time, after which your payment history will be taken into account when approving multiple orders. Clearpay is super easy to use and manage. With automatic payments, all you need to worry about is having enough funds in your account and they'll take care of the rest. With no interest charges, Clearpay is basically free to use as long as you stay on top of your payments. Unlike some buy now, pay later services like Klarna, for example, Clearpay does charge a late fee for late payments. And with just one payment plan option, Clearpay might be better suited to the shopper who simply wants to spread the cost of their purchases, as opposed to someone who wants to try before you buy. Buy now, pay later schemes are designed to give people more flexibility when it comes to shopping online. To make the most of these services and avoid any additional fees, make sure you can afford any payments before parting with any cash. And you can even compare which buy now, pay later service would work best for you. Simply head over to finder.com. Links are in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to our channel right here or stay tuned for our next video coming up. Thanks for watching.